Okay folks, this is the second one that I've done pretty much, except this is a different one. Let's see if we can make this turn up a treat. Okay, what is this? It is another broken race car. This one's a remote control. I think that's the antenna. And yeah, it's broken, or at least the wheels been come off. It's just a piece of shit. Don't know why. Cost too. They did sell it too expensive, I do think. But I figured it might possibly make a good demo, and that's what I'm buying these items for, is to make a good demo out of them, to make them into something interesting. So I'm just going to try and put this within the A5 area and make it into something nice. Yeah, that looks shit house. Gotta move it up a bit. Okay, maybe lighter. Going to use an extra whack of lightness. So we're going to go here. Yeah, that looks interesting, but it still looks too dark. It's too dark, and yeah. It's not, it's almost in the middle. Just going to move it up a bit. Okay, and now we're just going to really blast it with brilliance. So I got a feeling I'm going to have to lighten it fully. Yeah, that's a lot better. I can see more of it now. That looks a lot better. Maybe make it into a movement piece. I do think. Maybe I could move the actual car around and see how that looks. So I'm just going to turn it around, and slippery enough to do it so I can spin it, move it around heaps. So I'm going to do something more interesting with it. Just going to see how that looks. Try and get more creative. The first car I didn't turn out looking too good. This looks interesting. Wondering how we're going to make this look any good. This part here, Looks nice. I'm wondering if maybe we could enlarge that. We're going to enlarge. We're going to take this section and we're going to blow the shit out of it. So we're going to make it huge. So we're just going to switch over to 400%. We're going to switch off. We're going to take back the light and darken of this brightness control, and we're going to maybe darken it a little bit. So this is our broken race car, our second one. I just put it there, and we're going to just take this section somehow and enlarge it really, really, really big. So we're going to just take it, try to line it up with the edge without getting too close to the edge. It's not an easy one, folks. So I'm just trying to use my intuition here to guide me with this. Yeah, that looks really interesting. Wondering if we're going to work it like that. That's as big as we can get it, first go. We can't get it to go any bigger than 400, but that looks brilliant. Wondering if we're going to run with it. Topman, it says. So that's this Topman piece. So this is interesting. So we just line these up. Yeah, okay, that looks interesting. Some ways minimalist, but looks good. I think now we can call this demo quits.